Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and today's video is the second video of 2019. So before going forward, let me tell you that whosoever is new on German Gyan channel, please subscribe the red button, click the red button, and please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can know that German Gyan has put the new video for you. So without wasting time, let's go. Today's topic is really very important and easy. So today we are having 5 phrases of German phrase. So let me tell you that what the useful phrases are. See, in this video you will be having the 5 very important words, or it may be the verbs, so that you can learn that and you can use in the phrases that similar word or a phrase. So let's go. The first word is der Müll. Der Müll word means the trash. Trash means rubbish. Fine. So here are the 2 questions for you, or maybe the answer. So you just have to learn that how. This is only the Beispiel. Beispiel means example. So here we are having only examples so that I can make you more clear. So first is, hast du schon den Müll rausgetragen? Have you already taken out the trash? So these sentences informally, and downstairs you are having the type of dictionary where words or verbs are written and their meaning are written. So the second word is, could you please take out the trash? Kannst du bitte den Müll raustragen? The second word is Frühstücken. Frühstücken is actually a verb which means to have breakfast. So here I have written, ich habe noch nicht gefrühstückt. I haven't had breakfast yet. Hast du schon gefrühstückt? Have you already had breakfast? Nein. Oh yeah, you can give any answer. The third one is Putzen und Aufräumen. Here, Aufräumen is a trennbaren verb. So, see how I have put in it. Ich muss heute die Fenster putzen. I have to clean the windows today. Hast du dein Zimmer ausgeräumt? Have you cleaned your room? The fourth one is Aufstehen. This is the trennbaren verb which is separable verbs. If you haven't watched the trennbaren verb, then I will be putting the link in the description box. Please have a look. So here the sentence is, ich muss morgen früh aufstehen. Früh means early. So I have to get up early tomorrow. Ich bin heute 6 Uhr aufgestanden. Ich bin so müde. I got up 6 o'clock today. I'm so tired. The last one is a very important word, arbeiten. Arbeiten is a verb which means to work. So, muss ich heute arbeiten? Do you have to work today? Ich muss morgen arbeiten. I have to work tomorrow. Yeah? So, these were the 5 useful phrases which you can use in your daily life. When you're speaking German, that's the basic and very important words which will be helping you till C2 level. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, please subscribe to the channel, and please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere. And German Gyan have started online plus classroom classes for A1, A2, B1 level. For more information, you can have a look on the previous video, online German courses. So thank you so much for watching German Gyan. Thank you so much.